ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we're looking for buy, and there is no much changes. And we just want to give a quick update. We want to see how we can trade it. Okay, and even if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for this move. We want to see if we get any trade set up and how we can trade it. Okay, in this case, first we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. Then when we move to 1 hour chart, we see how we can look for trade. First of all, we look based on daily chart, we're looking at this part. The only question is whether this is a correction in relative to this for one more drop, or this is the start of the up move, because the way this correction is forming is quite complex. Okay, by the way, we don't care whether this is the start of the up move or correction relative to this. We try to look for buy, and any trade we get, I mean, we wait for the trade setup, and if we get the trade we see is not moving, then we know, I mean, we start to manage. Okay, anyway, first of all, as we explained based on 1 hour chart, we can put this one as a correction in relative to this, either from here, or the best things is we can expect the price move a bit higher before we get the down move. Okay, how high this one can go, we are not sure. Even the price can retest the top or not. This is how we can explain and how we can look at the chart. But it doesn't mean we have to get this down move. The only things I want to put, any trade from here for buy, we take it. And what we expect for the continuation. But we need to know, may this one turn to a correction for one more drop. That means if we get any trade setup, we see it's not moving or it's very corrective, we should have the proper management in case, as we explained, we get one more drop. And now we're looking at the buy from this correction, how we can trade it. Okay, and what we can expect. And if we move to 1 hour chart, for me, I'm looking for buy. And if we get a buy, the first things I'm looking, I want to tag the, I mean, when the price come to 1.25, this is where I start to manage. It depends, either we get it as a sharp move or corrective. And after the breakout of this, we want the price to break 1.275. And if the price come to this level, we see there is no continuation, then we can put this one as a correction in relative to this. That means when the price come to this level, it doesn't mean exact have to come. It may the price tag this one and reverse in case if this one turn to a correction in relative to this. Okay, what we do if we get any buy, as long as this correction haven't retest this low, we can put this one in relative to this. If we get any buy, we can take it. And what we want to get the sharp move, not the corrective move. And the first, when the price break 1.25, we start to manage, and we want to break 1.275. If we see the price start to correct or we see any reversal, we take out the trade, because whatever the trade we have here is based on this move, and this is what we expect for our target. But if there is a continuation as a sharp move, we just manage and let it go. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. We still be looking at this correction, and if this one turns to a deeper correction and retest this low, then we have to look at the structure differently. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.